Hello, it's Bonnie from Everything Country CA, and today I have part 2 of my vintage pink Valentine's Day, and the first one was the red roses display, and this one is the pink vintage. So I really hope you enjoy it, and I'll get to all the details along with some music. So hope you can sit back and just enjoy the display. Thank you. In this display, I've added some vintage Valentines that were made reproduction and some vintage heart baking tins and some lovely pink hearts at the top. And then all those vintage doilies and lovely porcelain pink china. I also had all the Pink Depression glass that I've been collecting so far in this display, along with a couple of the newer pieces. So I hope you enjoyed seeing those. I also got this lovely vintage teapot from the Then and Now online shop in North Saanich, and it's just beautiful. It's a Gibson's teapot made in England, and look how sweet it is for Valentine's Day with the pink and the red. It's just so cute with a lovely pink lid. And there you go. I'm going to mention some of the vendors that I purchased some of these items from in my notes below. And that's my vintage pink Valentine's display. And if you haven't seen the red roses display for Valentine's Day, don't forget to check that out. And I hope you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much and see you next time.